Hello. Today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Boadw LED solar fountain with 5.5 watt power and 250 millimeter solar fountain with 3300 milliampere hour built-in battery. It's a solar water pump with 7 fountain styles for a garden, for the good, and the bird bath, and the pond, and a fish container, and. Where you like, you can use it because it is powered by the sunlight. 5.5 watt high performance solar fountain. The 2023 solar fountain upgraded version to 5.5 watt high performance solar models. Compared to ordinary solar fountains, it has more power. It absorbs and converts light energy faster. This makes the water jet more durable and stable, and it will attract many hummingbirds come into our garden to drink and play. Influenced by the intensity of sunlight, the height of the fountain can reach 6 up to 20 inches. And we have various water spray styles. The solar fountain has 7 nozzle sets and rotating nozzles to meet our different requirements for water spray height and shape. And the clear nozzle make the light more perfect. The solar fountain can be automatically operated in direct sunlight. In only 3 seconds, it will go on a go, baby. During the day, it draws attention to a garden, and at the night, it will be a unique illumination fountain landscape ensures the family moments. And we have colorful light-emitted diodes on it, on the light solar fountain. Unique circular LED light design. 11 LED light-emitted diodes lights in the middle color, slow flashing lights, and 36 LED lights around to brazier light bar. Red, green, blue, purple, yellow, and cyan. At night, the light changes in different colors alternately, which makes the water garden fountain not only look beautiful and charming, but also it has a built-in battery with a capacity of 3300 mAh that can maintain this visual feast for about 5.5 hours. At night, baby. For those who just come from work, it can help them relieve their tired mood. And it's suitable for different things. Attach the fountain in the middle of the bird bath. We no longer need to attach it with stones. In addition, the water dropped out of the bird bath. Perfect for bird bath, of course. Garden decorations too, small ponds and pools. The water circulation oxygen, it makes our garden attractive to the attention of passengers by. This makes our garden so intense in the decoration solar water pumps so really beautiful. And low water protection function. That means automatic night mode and automatic off while not underwater. The outer solar fountain has a lack of water detection device that automatically stops operating when the water level is too low, though that the solar fountain pump can be protected itself when it is detected water source shortage. The outer night function can be adjusted according to the weather condition to extend the working time of this LED fountain. Why we choose the Boadw LED solar spray fountain? Because this is the solar fountain from 2023 upgraded to a high voltage performance 5.5 watt. This is really cool, and it goes more. It comes with a unique circular LED light design. It's perfect for our garden, and it makes so easy and nice looking decoration of our garden, for example. The power of the solar panel is 5 volt, 5.5 watt. The size of the solar panel is diameter 215 millimeters. The power of the pump is 4.0 volt, 0.8 watt. The pump. And the battery rechargeable lithium-ion echo. Battery comes with 3.7 volt, 3300 milliampere hour. And 11-piece colorful and slow flashing lights. Light strip. Red, green, blue, purple, yellow, and green. The maximum flow of the pump is 120 liter per hour. The maximum heat of the pump is 80 centimeter. So you can see you can lift it really nice up by the sun. And this is the big thing behind this. The fountain lifetime is more than 10,000 hours. The battery lifetime, that means we can charge and discharge it round about 500 times. And the pump will automatically restart within 3 seconds when the sunlight recovers back. And the working hours is from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. 5.5 hours of regulation work at night. And battery function, the battery assists the fountain working when the sunlight is weak or the weather is bad. The battery will recharge while the solar fountain working and the solar panel has excess power. The LED light mode, that means the fountain works automatically during the day, and when the light sensor detects that it is dark, the LED light will automatically work with the fountain. And when the battery power is more than 70%, the battery will assist the fountain working during the daytime. When the sunlight is weak or the weather is bad, the battery power is less than 70%, it will stop assist. The LED light flashes twice when the battery has enough power after we change to auto function. And we have the possibility of using the night function. The LED light will with the fountain will automatically work when the light sensation detection is dark. The battery is only charged during the daytime and stop assisting the fountain working during the day itself. The LED light flash once time when the battery has enough power after we change to the night function. Different spray water-shaped nozzles are included, so we can use them as we like. We keep the surface of the solar panel clean constantly. We change the water frequently to avoid any dirt to impede to the pump. We put the solar pump fountain under sunlight without water. The battery will be charged, but the solar fountain will not work. Water should be at least 2 inches. These are 5 centimeters deep and clean. We do not use the solar fountain in water temperature above 113 degrees Fahrenheit. These are 45 degrees Celsius. We do not use the solar fountain in dirt or corrosive water. For safety, any repair work should be done only by a manufacturer of the product. Of course. Regularly, we clean the pump. This increased the lifetime of the fountain. We clean the pump easily. We remove the pump cover, we remove the impeller cap by placing our fingernails underneath the small lip located, and remove the impeller and clean the parts with water. To avoid damage, we do not open the control of the solar panel itself. And then we can have so much fun and so a nice decoration thing with this double filtration pump here. And we have an equalizer bar adjustment. The length of the angle of the balancer bar can be adjusted. The length can be extended up to 12 centimeters and the angle can be up to 60 inches. And capacitive water level detector. Dry running protection means the fountain comes with a capacitive water level detector. It stops working without water. A really nice and smart device here. This is the Boadw LED solar fountain with 5.5 watt power and solar powered. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.